Working method. As already said, many texts will be quoted in order to demonstrate the structure of the Toba Batak belief in the high god. To attain this end, we have decided to quote as many texts as possible collected by others. Those collected by ourselves will only be used to complement this. We are of the opinion that, in view of what we have stated above, little can be said against the authenticity of the material not collected by ourselves. Dr. van der Toek was a philologist in the service of the Dutch Bible Society, and in view of the fact that the existence of a belief in the high god among the primitives was considered to be almost improbable in the years 1851 until 1857, this scholar is not likely to have consciously collected material to this effect. Winkler and Harriara worked for the Rhenish mission, and in view of what we have said of the activities of this mission, it is not likely that they have consciously paid attention to the Toba Batak belief in the high god. This is what makes the material so valuable. This classification of our subject matter is as follows. In the first place, the myths will be discussed. Then, the conception of the tondi, the world of the spirits, and the conception of time and space. In the penultimate chapter, we shall pay attention to the system of relationship, rites, magic, etc. And in the last chapter, we shall sum up our conclusions.